watch out. Trump's acting like a hoser. He's taking a literal bulldozer to our historic building. Ouch! Tearing down the house. Not right. First he said he wouldn't do it. He lied. 2 permits, he said screw it. So it's a pile of rubble now. Tearing down the house. Also we can build a huge ballroom for a greedy Scrooge. Gilded crap in a hurry. Even told us on TV it's his main priority. Kids can starve, he won't worry. He's all wet. Won't do a thing productive, so we get this bozo so destructive. His IQ is under 65. Tearing down the house.
The East Wing was a special place full of history and grace, but not when it's in Trump's clutches.
Baby, what do you expect? Nothing he won't disrespect. He'll wreck whatever he touches. Our house. All of us are the owners. We grouse while tech execs get boners. Meanwhile, we watch this tacky louse tearing down the house.
And the Senate and the Supreme Court.
Tearing down the house.
And the Education and Health Department.
Tearing down the house.
And any semblance of a functioning government.
Tearing down the house.
Making us agree with Marjorie Taylor Greene.
Tearing down